Nehemiah reading program, where we're building the walls of literacy. CH says ch in chin. Now, CH has more than one sound, but today we're looking at ch in chin. CH making the ch sound. All right, so let's go. Let's practice that. CH says ch as in chin. Touch your chin for me. Now, this is the shape of a country. Which country is it? Look at the shape. It is fantastic. What does it look like to you? All right. What is the name of this country? What do you say? All right. Fabulous. This is China. Do you hear the ch in China? CH ch in China. Fantastic. All right. So remember the shape of China. Very interesting. All right. What should we call people who are nationals of China? Do you know? Look at these children. We say these are what kind of children? Oh, yes. We say these are Chinese. Okay? Chinese. Ch in Chinese. Fantastic. Good job. Okay, let's keep going. So, CH can be at the beginning of words, right? CH can be at the beginning. So we say the front, yes, of words. And remind me again what CH says. Good job. Ch. So we're going to be looking at some words with CH at the beginning. We're going to read them and we're going to spell the words. Later on, you may go over this video and find the meaning of the words. All right, let's go. This is chat. CH at the beginning, chat. CHAT, chat. Chap. Let's go. Chap. CHAP, chap. Check. Check. CHECK, check. Let's go. You're doing well. Check. Yes, this is check. All right. CHEQUE. Now we have two checks right here. Check as in, could you check the money or could you check on that book for me or check the door? Yes. And then we have check, which is when we talk about check, we're talking about that form that you write up with an amount of money with a person's name as to whom should collect the check. We're talking about bank, having to deal with the bank, right? Check. However, I'll talk about that later on. Later on, we talk about that check business. Chomp. Let's go. Chomp. CHUMP. Chomp. Let's keep going. You're doing well. Chick. Let's say that again. Chick. 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 Chop. Chop. That O. Chop. 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 Chalk. Chalk. The U, O, that mouth, O, chalk. CHUCK, chalk. Amazing. Let's read our words again from the beginning. Let's start over here. Chat, chap, check, check, chump, chick, chop, chalk. I love that. Amazing. All right, now I've got a little task for you. Grab your paper out and your pencil or pen, crayons or markers. You just need something that you can write with. So write the name of this object. We went through the word that would name this object earlier. What is the name of this object? It must begin with the ch sound. Let's go. All right, let me see what you have. Great. Let's spell the word. This is a chick. CHICK, chick. Lovely. Awesome. All right. Write the name of the object. What on earth is this? Let's go. Write it down. Let's go. All right, so here I now need to address something. This is a check. So I have two words, naming it check. So if you are watching this video from the United States of America, you would spell check CHECK. But if you are watching this video in the Caribbean, where our English, our words are governed by the British rule, then we spell check CHEQUE. Check, check. Remember that. Now, I'm going to ask you to read this sentence for me. Are you ready? So we have some CHs there. Let's remember ch. Let's go. Read. Awesome. Let's now read together. Charm chatted with Barb about the chick she got as her gift. Charm chatted with Barb about the chick she got as her gift. Fantastic. Now, CH can also be at the end of words. So the words we learned earlier, CH was at the beginning. Now we're going to find CH at the end of some words. And CH is still going to say ch. Let's go. Read and spell as we did previously. What's going on here? Bunch. Ch. Bunch. 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 Lunch. We love this one. LUNCH. Lunch. Bench. Are you sitting on a bench? BENCH. Bench. Hunch. 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 Such. SUCH. Rich. 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 Starch. 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 Ranch. 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 Peach. Peach. Let's name these words. We're just going to read these words through. Let's go. Peach. Teach. Reach. Each. Beach. Beseech. Ooh, I love that list. Did you? Awesome. Let's read them again. Peach. Teach. Reach. Each. Beach. Beseech. It's time to write. Grab your pencils and paper. Let's go. From the words we read earlier, write the name of this object. What is this? Look carefully. What's this place that has a ch, that ends with ch? Yeah, what's this? Okay, do you have it? Bingo! It's a ranch. 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 Good job. Let's keep it going. What is this? Write its name. Must hear the ch at the end. Let's go. All right. Well, let me see if you've got it. Peekaboo. Bench. This is a bench. BENCH. Awesome sauce. Woo. Nira. Okay, what is this? Name this fruit here. Name this fruit. What is this? Let's read and spell and write. Nehemiah reading program. Do you have it? Let's go. It is a peach. Have you ever had a peach before? Do you love it? If you have never had one, maybe you could try. Ask your parents to get you a peach. And peaches are grown in Jamaica, yes. All right. We have some words to read and spell, or more than that. No, let's read the sentence. Let's go. The teacher gave me a slice of her peach. There we go, if you've never had it. The teacher gave me a slice of her peach. Beautiful. Read the sentence for me now. All right. It was so wonderful having you here. Reading with Auntie Nuts. Please come back for more. We're going to be looking at the CH that has a different sound from the one we learned today. CH says ch. Go back, read and spell the words, and look for the meanings. Remember, we need to not only read words and spell them, but words have meanings. Okay? God bless you.